just finished getting ready. I'm gonna go have, I'm gonna spend half of the day with my mom and gonna go to the Fringe Market and then go to Monstera Books and then go on a little hike and then call it a day. So thought I would take y'all along with me. I don't know how much I'll record, but we'll see. This may turn into a multi-day video, but kind of wanted to do more of a vlog style in addition to my podcasts. So let's go. Today is the next day. I was so exhausted by the time I got back home that, yeah, I just didn't feel like recording. So I also started putting that video together, or this video together, and it is a total of 5 minutes long. So I'm gonna carry y'all into today, or like I'm gonna carry the video into today. So me and Jordan are gonna, my partner, Jordan, we're gonna go on a bike ride. We're not certain where yet. We're getting the bike racks up on the car and getting the bikes up and then deciding. We just finished breakfast or lunch. It's more of a brunch. And yeah, I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. I think that's pretty much it. We're gonna, yeah, go on a bike ride and then I'm gonna work on some videos and do some knitting. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Cool. Through the tunnel.